Your Excellency, President Yoon Suk Yeol, Chairperson of the African Union, the President of Mauritania, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Faki Musi, Chairperson of the Commission, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Let me begin by thanking the President, Government, and the people of this great nation for the warm hospitality extended to me, Ingoskat, and my entire delegation since our arrival here in Seoul, the Republic of Korea. We applaud you for hosting us under these excellent facilities for the first Korea-Africa Summit that serves as a testament to the long-standing and growing bond between yourselves and the African continent. This summit presents an opportunity for African and Korea to understand each other much better and develop a strong partnership. Your Excellency, strategic partnerships and imaginative leadership may alter our societies and achieve extraordinary progress. We congratulate the Republic of Korea for the admirable development they have attained. It is impressive to note how you have come from humble beginnings where your country was among the underdeveloped nations, but resolved to adopt a conscious and mentality change to transform yourselves. We have witnessed the Korean government's substantial investment in education, ICT, construction, manufacturing, science, and biotech, amongst others. We look forward to fruitful deliberations under the summit's theme, The Future We Make Together, Shared Growth, Sustainability, and Solidarity, which is not only appropriate, but also aligns with Eswatini's vision for a better world. Your Excellencies, Africa's economy has a huge development potential. Besides our abundant natural riches, we are the youngest continent full of creativity and entrepreneurship. Agenda 2063 of the African Union promises inclusive growth and sustainable development throughout Africa. Pursuant to this vision, we have prioritized economic development, inter-Africa and international commerce, and we are consciously using our remarkable resources to generate value and jobs for our people. Eswatini has fully embraced the Africa Continental Free Trade Agreement and its implementation plan, as we appreciate worldwide partnerships and learning from their development paths. While the AfTA was successfully launched, its programs were hampered by the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. We would be grateful to learn from your experiences to develop and grow our trading bloc. Joint ventures in technology, agriculture, health, and manufacturing can also advance Agenda 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Your Excellencies, our development agenda prioritizes sustainability. Africa's various ecosystems are vital to global environmental stability. Climate change, deforestation, and biodiversity loss are major issues for the continent. The AU Agenda 2063 and SDGs Agenda 2030 emphasize sustainable environmental management. This means Africa must create a solid economic base, especially through industrialization, while embracing ecological technology and practices that do not compromise the ability of future generations to meet their needs. Korea's renewable energy, smart agriculture, and environmental conservation advances are models to be adopted to our local context so we can build a better, sustainable, and more resilient future together. In a connected society, we share challenges and successes. By continuing to strengthen the relationship between Africa and Korea, we are building another pillar of solidarity to solve our common challenges. Africa has shown her unity by supporting the Republic of Korea for the non-permanent seat as a member of the United Nations Security Council. We hope they will in turn advocate the call by the African continent to be given a voice as per the Eswatini Consensus of 2005. The AU Agenda 2063 envisions a unified, powerful Africa that influences the world. Korea and other overseas partners can help us create robust healthcare systems, improve education, and promote equitable economic growth. Your Excellencies, the Kingdom of Eswatini emphasizes fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. We know education and technology underpin modern economies. We therefore encourage collaborations that improve education technology transfer, research and development, plus capacity building to bridge the digital gap and prepare our children for a globalized future. We are here to engage in a world that needs new abilities to harness the full potential of our youthful, dynamic population. By using our strength and create a business-friendly climate, pledging to foster peace, stability, and progress at this summit, we can generate possibilities for both our regions. In closing, we wish to commend Korea for her decision to increase officially development support to $10 billion by 2030 to spur African cooperation initiatives. We also applaud the commitment to provide approximately $14 billion in export financing startups for Korean companies by 2030 to encourage their activities in Africa, thus stimulating trade and investment with our continent. We wish to encourage the Korean business community to join the efforts of the government in making this endeavor a success by investing in Africa. We urge you to choose a location to establish these industries, as in Africa we are no longer competing but complementing each other to achieve the goals we have set for ourselves. We are here, therefore, to show our commitment to working together as guided by the principles of the AU Agenda 2063 and the SDGs Agenda 2030 to achieve the Africa we want. Since this is our first summit, we look forward to having this event alternate between Korea and Africa in years to come. Let us recognize that unity and common goals are our strength, and Eswatini is willing to help Africa and Korea prosper together in this collaboration. I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all.
Wethe wena phakathi wena ungangezintaba. Umqembu nyama esibanda enganutheseka wethula sengwayo tibiyweni. Wevakala sikhombeni sikathi le nyama isemnandi ekuphekeni ngani yoba mnandi ekoseni. Khula tholele nyathi, khula ndlaliselwa, khula ndla madoda. Athi mbimbe njalo ke tindiza tembutho esatin defense force etule isibhakabhakeni sakangwane. Tindize netinyonto kangwane. Tihalalisele kukhula kwelive. Ukhulile Mswati iminyaka lengu-55. Akube kuhle nemifulweni kangwane. Kuvakale inhloko ekhalalisela lona live. Akube kuhle wena wekunene. Boya wekutala kamdlulu wase uyayiqala ke ingoma elisekwane. Nemambala ingatsha yase yamtuntusela umntwana. Yase yamtuntusela ongangezwe. Isho seyikhuphuka ngenhlokomo lapha etule esikhaleni selisekwane. Inhlokomo lethi yavakala nalapha endasenhlambeni ngimatatasela. Nanga nemaqhawela salala elive lapha endasembanana. Evakala yahalalisa. Ngikukhulakela kangwane. Ngikhula kwengwenyama. Bayahalalisa bofonono. Awekutala kwaDuba. Bayahalalisa nabo maphefu. Akube kuhle wena wekunene. Akube kuhle eqathazi labhuza.